Experience life through new eyes. At DS Laboratories, we are experts in creating revolutionary products that help you achieve the best version of yourself. Introducing Spectral.Lash and Spectral.Brow. Thicker, more defined-looking brows help structure the face and draw attention to the eyes. Spectral.Brow is a serum formulated with our exclusive patented active ingredient, nanoxidil, designed to stimulate hair growth, provide strength, volume, and thickness, making the brows healthier and more abundant. Our eyelashes are made up of keratin flakes that lose elasticity and resistance due to stress, hormonal changes, or aging. Spectral.Lash is a topical serum designed to treat deficiencies in length, quality, and density of eyelashes. It acts by stimulating the expression of keratin genes that promote appearance of new eyelashes and protect the existing ones thanks to an innovative peptide complex, improving overall eyelash appearance. Both products feature our proprietary advanced nanosym delivery technology, which encapsulates key compounds in microscopic liposomes to penetrate deeper into epidermal cells for maximum results. The results are eyes that speak louder than words.